Hello to everyone in the Maldives. Now, client had asked me, how many grafts will I need? Now, this is not an unusual question. I get this a lot. How many grafts do I need? Now, the answer to this is a little bit complex because what we are trying to do is to give you a very natural look. We want to make it so that whenever the hair transplant results have finally grown out and you've got a nice head of hair, when people meet you, they will not realize that you were once bald. This is our goal, to make sure that people do not think you were ever bald. Now, to do that, we have to use hair that is existing on your head and it's on the back and side area. This is the dome area. Now, the amount of hair you have here is the limiting factor. If you have a lot of thick hair in that area, and we don't think that that area will thin out, because in male pattern baldness, if you remember, if you're node 7, you can end up losing some hair into your dome area as well at the back. So we have to be able to predict exactly which hairs and which areas are going to miniaturize and the amount of hair you can take out. And so based on that, we will then discuss with you how many grafts you need and how many grafts you can safely take out. We will, in our sessions, we try to do the maximum possible. We have Sapphire technology, and in our clinic, we don't charge per graft. We think that's unfair. What we try to do is to give you a look. So we discuss the look that you require, and then we transplant to give you that look. So we discuss the area you want transplanted, and you can rest assured that we'll do the maximum number of grafts possible. And the results are permanent. The hair grows for the rest of your life. There are no side effects. And you can actually go back to work the next day. If you want to keep your hair long while we're doing a transplant, that is also possible. You just have to discuss it. Often it's better to trim it down or shave it because it makes the space clearer for us to transplant at higher density. But it still can be done. It'll take a longer time if you want to keep your hair long. It just take a little bit more time to do it. And so if you need our advice, feel free to WhatsApp us. You can send us some photos of your hair loss area, and then we will give you an estimate of the time and the cost for you. Thank you.
මේ හිස් කිස් අස්වද්දන ආශ්චර්ය සේවයයි කේෂා ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට්